Today we're delighted to announce recent expansion at our Site 2 facility. We've gone from 10,000 square foot to 40,000 square foot in the last 10 months. We've invested over €6 million in the last year. We're future-proofing ourselves by having the newest and latest technologies. By adding this extra facility, we now have space ready to add new technologies and new equipment. So we're delighted today that we had Minister Pat Breen to officially open the facility. We're an Irish Indigenous company, and to get that recognition is something we're very proud of.
It's a really great honour for me to be here this morning. This is a great success story. This is why you're in the position today, announcing 60 new jobs over the next 2 to 3 years, and I commend you for that.